Hello all. Our today's point is tools for IoT. Okay. Today in the internet driven world, it has opened many new companies and developers working on IoT. Many exceptional products have been developed due to IoT app development. And companies providing Internet of Things solution are creating hardware and software designs to help the IoT developers to create new and remarkable IoT devices and applications. Okay, here IoT tools stands for Internet of Things tools. Okay, it is a network or a connection of devices, vehicles, home appliances, then buildings, electronics changing different kinds of data, and it also helps user to control the devices remotely over a network. Next slide. Here list of some top IoT tools and devices are discussed. Okay, there are 11 IoT tools are shown. Okay, Tazl 2, Arduino, M2M Labs, Mainspring means machine to machine labs. Device Hive, Home Assistant, Raspbian, Eclipse IoT, Platform IoT, Kinoma, Cax, and Neat. Okay, first one Tazl 2. Okay, Tazl 2 can support Node.js and can use the libraries of Node.js. It contains two processors. Its hardware uses 48 MHz Atmel, SAMD21 and 580 MHz MediaTek MT7620N coprocessor. One processor can help to run firmware applications at high speed, and the other one helps in the efficient management of power and in exercising good input output control. Okay, means here it is used to build basic IoT prototypes and applications. Okay, Tazl can avail internet or ethernet connectivity, wi-fi connectivity, then two usb ports, micro usb ports, 32 mb of flash, then 64 mb of ram, okay, etc. Additional modules can also be integrated like cameras, accelerometers, then RFID, GPS, etc. Okay, our next tool is Eclipse IoT. Okay, Eclipse IoT. Then here projects include open source implementations of IoT protocols, application frameworks and services, and tools for using programming language which is promoted as the best suited programming language for IoT. Okay, means Hmm? this tool or instrument allows the user to develop and promote open source IoT technologies. Okay, it is best suited to build IoT devices, cloud platforms, and gateways. Okay, Eclipse supports various projects related to IoT. Okay, third, Arduino. It is the most preferable IDEs means integrated development environment. Okay, in all IoT development tools, and this platform is easy and simple to use. Okay, here Arduino is an Italy based IT company that builds ठीक है. Okay. It is an open source prototyping platforms that offers both IoT hardware and software. Means hardware specifications can be applied to interactive electronics and software includes IDE. Okay. Fourth one, platform IoT. Okay, a developer can port the IDE on Atom editor or it can install it as a plugin. It is compatible with more than 400 embedded boards and has more than 20 development frameworks and platforms. It offers a remarkable interface and is easy to use. Okay, means platform IoT is a cross platform IoT IDE. Okay, it comes with the integrated debugger. It is best for mobile app development and developers can use a friendly IoT environment for development. Fifth one, M2M Labs Mainspring, machine to machine. Okay, it supports much functionality like validation and normalization of data, device configuration, data retrieval processes, and flexible modeling of devices. It is based on Apache, Cassandra, NoSQL database, and Java. Okay, here machine to machine is an IoT platform and open source application framework. It is used to build a machine to machine application which can be used in fields of remote products. Two products are available, Kinoma Create and Element Board. Kinoma Create is a hardware kit for prototyping electronic and IoT enabled devices. Okay, and kit contains supporting essentials like Bluetooth, low energy, integrated Wi-Fi, speaker, microphone, and touch screen. And Element Board is the smallest JavaScript powered IoT product platform. Okay, Kinoma is a Marvell semiconductor hardware prototyping platform and it enables three different projects. Okay, seventh one, Device Hive. Device Hive has cloud based API which can be controlled remotely irrespective of network configuration. Its libraries, protocols, and management portal are controlled in a similar manner, and it is best suited for applications related to smart home tech, security, automation, and sensors. Okay, means Device Hive is it is based on Data Arts Alliance. Okay, it is a free open source M2M, that is machine to machine communication framework, and it was launched in 2012 and considered the most preferable IoT app development platform. Okay. Our eighth tool is IoT tool is Kax. Okay. Open source kit is described as hardware agnostic by Kax. That is, it can interface with any hardware like sensors, gateways, and other devices. It helps developers to distribute firmware updates remotely and to enable cross platform interoperability. Okay, means this tool provides end to end support for IoT devices connected across the cloud. Due to its multi-purpose middleware, it allows users to build connected applications, then IoT applications, and many smart products. Okay, and ninth one, home assistant. Home assistant. It is easy to set up and is famous for its smooth operations, privacy standards, and security. It can support systems running on Python 3. Okay, means home assistant tool is an open source tool mostly used for functions based on the Python coding system and home automation. Desktop and mobile browsers help to control their IoT system. 10th, NET. Its development kit is delivered as a platform as a service, that is PaaS, which allows the user developer solution for IoT developers. Okay, and it offers services like cloud integration and business intelligence to provide both web technologies and hardware. And last tool is Raspbian. It was not created by the parent organization but by the IoT tech enthusiasts. Okay, for working with Raspberry Pi, this is the most suited IDE available. Okay, means this IDE created for Raspberry Pi board. Okay, and it has more than 35,000 packages, and with the help of pre-compiled software which allows rapid installation. Okay, and finally, this has been a guide to IoT tools. Here we discuss the concept and some of the tools, IoT tools that you should know about, which can help developers. Okay. Actually, we have seen some tools of IoT in these PPTs. Okay, and these tools help the developers to explore and create innovative IoT applications and devices, and these tools can help you to pursue your career in IoT and contribute to the IoT development society. Okay, thank you.